Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change currency on Depop. So by default, the currency will be the same as your phone settings. Now if you want to change the currency, you have to go ahead and log in into your Depop account. In my case, I'm using a web browser. If you're using an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So then tap on the tab bar icon once you're logged into your account, and from here you need to scroll down a bit and go to settings. After you click on the settings tab, that's going to direct you to the settings page. So right on this page you need to go to your profile, and after that you'll be able to see all sort of information. So right on this page, go ahead and tap on the settings icon, and after you click on the settings icon, that's going to take you to this sort of interface. So here you need to go ahead and change your country first of all, and accordingly your currency will be changed. So go ahead and tap on it and click on save changes, and you need to restart your application, and once you've done that, you have successfully changed your currency on Depop. So in that way you can change your currency on Depop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.